A sweet, savory, and spicy noodle dish for you. So easy to do. Singaporean seafood noodles. Let's start cooking. So we start off with heating our wok and adding a bit of oil. And we will saute our seafood first. So we start with our prawns. Season with a little salt. Add our squid. Very nice. Season with salt. Not to overcook our seafood. While our seafood is cooking, we have 2 eggs, which we will beat together. Put our seafood aside. Saute our garlic. I will just make a very quick sauce. So I don't have sweet soy sauce. I will just combine regular soy sauce with sugar. Add some oyster sauce and sambal oil, or you can use chili paste. Please grab a copy of my cookbooks, Simpol 101, Simple Kitchen Secrets, and Baking Simple, available at Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Kaya add to cart na. That is our sauce. And now, I will just add my scrambled eggs. Scramble. Very easy. Add my noodles, egg noodles, fresh egg noodles, blanched egg noodles. It's up to you. Add my sauce. Everything's there. So easy. Add some leeks. Toss. Add our seafood. Chop our bok choy. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just add it to our wok. Add everything there. You can add a bit of chicken stock if you want. Black pepper. A bit of toge. And to finish, ang dali-dali, just a bit of sesame oil for that very nice aroma. We're done. Look at that. Place into our bowl. Ah, amazing. I cannot resist. I'm going to have my noodles. And that's perfect. Amazing. Our simple version of a very popular Singaporean street food, Hokkien Mee or Singaporean seafood noodles. Simple!